I get the hiccups, man. I never get the hiccups. How annoying is that? Yep. That's the word I was looking for. And then, and excuse me, other nurse, but not a doctor. She wouldn't let off Sutton, and she was claiming that she's Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. She does the little dance around. I'm going to show you. Oh my God. I'm going to show you a lesson on how to get rid of hiccups. Please pause. Watch. A glass full of water. You take a paper towel tightly over the glass of water, and then you drink the glass of water. Hiccups gone, motherfuckers. Hiccups gone. I have answers, people.